Kia ora, I'm Leah Rewati. Winning the Bach Kit is life-changing. The biggest challenges is storing kai and having a fridge and a freezer, lights, being able to charge my phone. I've flattened so many car batteries. I'll be able to buy in bulk. I'll be able to have ice cream.
Man, Leah, ice cream. I feel you. I bloody feel you. I can't wait to have chocolate ice cream. Winning the Bach Kit, it's changed my life already. It's brought a smile to my face, especially for my wife too, so words just can't express that. Yeah, having something like this, being able to communicate with our whānau, yeah, it's definitely a big changer. Whānau, get into it, do it, enter.
This is our 3rd year now that we've been giving away a solar kit. Make sure you apply, because you've got to be in it to win it. Good luck.